Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajla ubak kami ikatanat PWD Roads ubak Preston tensong hak laipau trik naitung. Upintip baka sorkar kalabatha yaka NHIDCL. Bakan pendap no yaka subway hakapur balabu kenang bagi kali kilak benyat no ting baka surak shluang dauki. Hadian ka jingalang bishar kam halur ki projek surang. Ubak Preston ula ong baka jinga keren ka kentup halur ki projek bala pentre hakaleng gejela Meghalaya. Kata kentup ru ikitu ki badan harilum garo badwat halur ka high speed corridor. Menteri ula banjur baka jing penyasok biang ya ka surak shlong dauki ka dekat hong ka bahakmat namar ka jing don kam jongka na ka benta ki kam khai pateng bat kalet kawan baman kasni. Hak ka bayade bat ka surak shlong dauki ngilashim ya ka rai ban batha ya ka NHIDCL baka de ban pendap no ya ka jingshna ya ka subway hapo ka shipau trik nailar. Kenang ba la kalong kumno ru ngin hap ban pleno ya kalit kawan jongki kali na katika benta ka baka surang kalah syak rong no dangshen ong ubak Preston. Ula benrap baha ka jingalang kile keren saniru halur ki weipat ki jing ki bayade bat ki project jongka NHIDCL. Halur ki weipat ki matru ngilaya keren bat penbat yaki kata kentup iki project harilum garo ki badang don hapdeng ka jing pentre da ka NHIDCL ulaong.
Yes, we have a massive detailed discussion on the progress of work, not only Shillong Dauki, but also we talking about the different projects in the state of Meghalaya, in Garo Hills, and then again even the high-speed corridor, and then Shillong Dauki. As far as Shillong Dauki is concerned, we have taken the decision that NHIDCL has to complete that subway construction by 10 of August. By 10 of August, we have to, by any means, reopen the traffic movement from that portion where the route was disconnected. Okay, that is number one. And then about other issues also we discussed, and then it is resolved, including Garo Hills. Garo Hills projects, which is undertaken by NHIDCL.